Hello friends, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is how to calculate net working days between two dates in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in this Excel sheet, here I have some projects name, their starting date and ending date. My requirement here is to find out or calculate how many net working days are there between these two dates. And here I have the holiday list. I need to subtract the holiday and the weekends between these two dates to find out the net working days. In this case, I can use a function here, that is the net work days function. And the net work days function will take Saturday and Sunday as default weekend. But in your country, if the weekend system is different, then you have to use another function, that is networkdays.intl. I'll show you both functions here. First of all, let's see the net work days function to calculate the net working days. In this cell, press equal to, then type here net, then you'll see these two functions. One is the net work days and another is networkdays.intl. Here you can see the description of the function. This net work days function returns the number of whole work days between two dates. And if you select this another function, the description is returns the number of whole work days between two dates with custom weekend parameter. So in this function, you can set up the custom weekend parameter. Like if you have Saturday only, then you can choose that weekend system. First, let me select this net work days function by double clicking. In this function, we have to provide three arguments, that is start date, end date and the holidays. In the start date, click on this starting date of the project, put a comma. In the end date, click on the end date of the project, put a comma. Then here in the holidays, select this holiday list. Then lock this holiday range by pressing the F4 key in the keyboard, because when we copy this formula down, this range should be at the fixed position. Then close the formula with a bracket, press enter. And here you can see this is the net working days between these two dates, 34 days. Now you can drag this formula down for other projects. And here you can see the net working days are calculated. Next, let's see another function, that is networkdays.intl, which is for custom weekend type. For that, click on this cell, then press equal to, put the networkdays.intl function. Here we have total 4 arguments, that is start date, end date, weekend and holiday. Click on the start date, comma, click on the end date, comma, then select the type of the weekend. Let me select this Saturday only weekend type, that is the number 17. Double click on this, then put a comma, and in the holidays, select the holiday range. Then lock this holiday range by pressing F4 key in the keyboard. Close the formula, then press enter. And here you can see 41 days is the net work days between these two dates by considering Saturday only as weekend. Now you can drag this formula down for other projects. And here you can see the net working days are calculated. So this is how you can find out the net working days between two dates in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice these formulas, you can download this sample data from the link given in the video description section. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.